It's your boy Wanky, and welcome to my channel. And in this channel, I'll be sharing some secret in the trading space, which is very important for beginners, advanced, and also intermediate traders. So, without wasting much of your time, if it's your first time coming across this channel, I would like you to click the like button, to encourage the content, and also subscribe for more updates. So without wasting much of time, let us dive into today's topic, which is identifying the trend, that is market structure, and define the trend. So let me write out the topic here, which is market structure, and under this market structure we have identifying the trend. So market structure and identifying the trend of the market, as you can see right there in bold it. Yes, market structure and identifying the trend. So in the trading space, or in the forex market, or the crypto market, or in the futures market, they have different method of the market, or different ways the markets move. So the markets move basically in three forms, which is the trend, in three different trend form. So we have the bullish trend, we have the bullish trend, and we have the bullish trend. Let me write it back again. We have the bullish trend, we have the bearish, trend, and we have the third one, which is you have the sideways or orange. So this is the type of trend we have in the space. This is the trend we have in the space. This is the three type of trend we have in the space, in the trading space, or in the trading market. So now, when it comes to the trading market, they have the sideways market, which are market that moves in one particular point. It doesn't go up, it doesn't come down. It's just in one particular space, like something like this. It moves something like this. It's just going up, coming down to the same point, up, making equal highs and equal lows, equal lows. So this type of market, it's not going up and it's not going down. It's just moving in one particular point. You can see it's just making what they call support and resistance in the market. And we have the bullish trend. This one is the one that are heading upward. They are heading into the upward movement. They are heading up and not going down. And this kind of market that we are expected to buy. So it's forming something like the high, the low, the higher high, the higher low, the higher high, the higher low, and the higher high and the higher low. See, this type of market, this one right there, is market called bullish trend. Is heading to the upside. It's heading to the upside. So in this kind of market, you are only expected to buy, and we don't just want to buy at any point. We are only expected to buy at the pullback or at the correction. So as a trader, if you see this kind of market, you have to wait for a discount price. What I mean discount price, you have to wait for this pullback. So if market is forming this higher high, now you have to wait for this pullback to form finish for you to enter the buy and make profit in this other move. So then after making move, you also have to wait for it to also pull back again, to also enter for a buy. So you don't just want to buy at this high here. You are expected to buy at the low. You're expected to buy at this low, this point, this point, this point. They call it low. So you're expected to buy at that low. And we have the bearish market. This one is for sell. Like example, if you want to take a sell trade, you have to look for this kind of market. So the market are ones that form the lower, the low, the high, the lower low, the lower 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 high. You see, this kind of market is called the bearish market, the one moving down. So this kind of market, we expected to sell and not buy. So when we decided to, if it's this kind of market and we are clicking buy, we are counter trading, we are going against the trend, and it's not good as a trader. So as a trader, you are expected to go with the trend, which is the bearish trend, and you're expected to sell at the high. Yeah, you're expected to sell at the high, not the low. In the bullish, you're expected to buy at the low, not the high. But in the bearish, you're expected to sell at the high, not the low. So you have to wait for the market to pull back. When it's making this correction move, you sell. It pulls back again. When it's making this correction move, you sell. It's pull back, you sell like this. And when it's making this correction move, you sell. So these are the three type of trend. So as a trader, as a beginner trader, it's good to identify this trend, like your market structure, your trend first, before you do anything, or before you use your strategy on the market. You have to first of all understand what is the market, where is the direction the market is going to, like at what point the market is, or which direction the market is heading to. What am I expected to do here? Am I buying in this type of market, or I am selling in this type of market? So if the market is in a range, I would advise you to stay away from this market, because you don't know when it's going to go up, you don't know when it's going to come down. So you just stay away from the market, not to lose your money, because it's ranging, it's just staying, it's stagnant. This is what you call the support and resistance. Sometimes it doesn't even look like this. Sometimes it's just scattered. You cannot even pinpoint when the market is going to work. So I would advise you to stay away from this kind of market as a trader, this sideways market. So then let's dive into the real chart, and let me show you some few examples of the market trend. So let me clean this stuff. Let me get rid of this stuff. Alright. So yes, let's dive into some real charts. So this is my chart here, and I'll be showing you guys the trend from the daily time frame. As you can see, this is the chart here. As you can see now, this market now is definitely in an uptrend. It's definitely in an uptrend. It's an uptrend market, as you can see right there. Let me shrink. You can see that this market is in an uptrend. So in this kind of market, you are really expected to buy. So if you watch, the market is just forming. Let us start from this point. Forming a higher high, forming a lower low, a higher high, 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 a lower low, a higher high. Then we see the break of structure, but we'll not be talking about change of character or market shifting. We're just talking about the trend. Then you can also find a range right there. So from this point right here to this box I marked out, from that point to this point, you can see the market has been in an uptrend. So you're really expected to sell at the pullback. So with your understanding of what the market is doing right here now, you won't be looking for sell. What you'll be looking for is for buy, to join with the trend to the upside, which is very, very, very important right here. And you can only see the market is in an uptrend until you see it breaking structure, something like this. Now you have to see it break this high. If you watch, you can see the market, it broke through it, it came back for the pullback, then you see it again, it broke through it, you see it came back for the pullback, it went up again, you can see it again, it broke through it. That's why you say market is in a higher high and a higher low. You can see somebody looking for buy. Imagine buying at this point, you catch the move to this upside, Imagine here you broke through it, you wait for the pullback, buy at this point, catch it to the upside. So this is an uptrend market. Then let me show you guys a sideways market I'll say you should stay away from. So this is a sideways market. From this point to this point, you can see now it's a sideways market. You can see the market is not going up and it's not coming down. You can see the market is also forming a high, a low, a high, a low, a high. It's just one place, it's stagnant here. So this kind of market, you can maybe if you have experience in the market or you have come to the advanced level, you can buy at this point, take your profit at this point, or sell at this point, take your profit from this point. Or this is the sideways market. Example of the sideways market. Let me look for a selling market. Okay, yes, this is an example of a bearish trend. This one right there. This one right here is a bearish trend. Yes, you can see the market is also forming a lower low, a lower high, a lower low, a lower high, and a lower low. Then it's shifted from this bearish now to the bullish. Can let me show you another example again of a bearish trend. Another example of a bearish trend. Okay, yes, this is another example of a bearish trend. As you can see, the market is on the downside here. From this point, this box I just marked out now, you can see the market is on a bearish trend with what market does for me: a higher, a low, a high, a lower low, a lower high, a lower low, and a higher low. I was not able to break this level, so it shows that the market is changing what direction to the upside. So let me show you another example of this is another example of a bullish trend. You can see it's heading up. This is an example of a bullish trend. This level right there, it's an example of a bullish trend forming a higher high, higher low. So as you can see right there, okay, yeah, this is another example of a bearish trend. You can see the market is just heading to the downside, something like this. From here to this point, you can see the market is on a bearish trend. Delete this. So you can see the market is just heading downward, which is the market is just forming is the low, a high, a lower low, a lower 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 high. So this is an example of trend. So as a beginner trader, it's very important to identify your trade first thing before you even think of applying your strategy in the market. So this is what I have for you guys, which is very important because it took me about a year to figure out how the market move and to figure out the trend, because I was only just applying the strategy and I found out that it was not working, and it was not because of the strategy was not working, because of how I was applying the strategy. I was not identifying my trend. So you have to first of all understand how the markets move before you can able to take your buy or sell position or click the buy or sell button to make money. So the trend is very important as a market structure. So if you watch this video to this point, I thank you very much for your time, and I'll urge you to click the like button to also encourage for content like this. And if it's your first time being on this channel, I'd like you to click the subscribe button for more updates on market structure, because I will be dropping some series on market structure, because I'll be dropping on the advanced level, I'll be dropping on intermediate level, but this level right here is for beginners. But I'll be dropping more on advanced, and so stay tuned and click the subscribe button. And it's your boy right here, Ranky. See you next time.